Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to install a digital dash in your chassis. So as you can see, this is the digital dash. This is not mine, but I'm just gonna show a tutorial on how to install it, and I'm gonna give the link to the model in description or comment. So I will demonstrate of how this works. As you can see, wait, does it works? Yeah, as you can see, the digital dash displays about information about the car, like such as the RPM and then the speed, and it also shows the whether you have ABS or traction control on or off. Well, I think it's really cool, and it could add some realism into your car or your project. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So first, you need your car chassis like this, and then you need this model which contains the digital dash. First, you go to the Explorer and find the model called digital dash and put it in your chassis. Wait, let me rename this so it doesn't get confusing. The chassis. Yeah. So you open the chassis and find the body model, so you just have to put it in there. Yeah, simply like that. And then you go to the digital dash model again and find the script which is called WG digital dash, and then you just cut it and paste it inside plugins. Yeah, right here. Now you're all set. You can delete this, and then you can get the digital dash model and put it wherever you want to put it. For example, I'm gonna put it here, floating for some reason. Yeah, like that. And when you play the game, you can see that the digital dash is indeed working. And let me show you some of the function, which is like showing the traction control and ABS system. But first I have to enable the TCS because I have it disabled in my chassis. Okay, now it's enabled, and I'm gonna show you how it's working in action. See that when I press this or when I press this, it shows. Really cool. Yeah, the brake also works as well, the handbrake. See, and I think that's it for this tutorial. If you wish for me to make another tutorial, just comment below and I'll make another one. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Share this video to your friend or person that needs it, and thank you.